Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message Minecraft 1.18 pre-release 2 and above requires the use of Java 17. It happens with multi-MC launcher sometimes. And the first thing we're going to do is just search up Java SE Development Kit and just click on the first link. This will be in the description as well. So you have to follow along closely here. Go to Java 17, not 19, Windows, then you install the middle one here, 64X installer. You just install that. That shouldn't take too long. Okay, so that now should have installed. And now the last thing you need to do, this will again be in the description, but if you don't go there, just search up Java and just click on the first link. There's not an ad. You should come to this website. Now just click download and download again. Now that should just load this and just open that. Okay, so now that's installed, just go into apps and features again just to make sure it worked. If there's any more errors, then just tell me in the comments, and please subscribe because I have like 1 sub and it makes me really sad. This video took way too long to make because my recording software kept breaking, so yeah, it would really make my day. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.